awethu ngithi mina usekhaya la usekhaya la noma ngabe izindle zodaka ngithi bayale ngithi bayale oh bathola amazondo siyaya bo siyaya bo siyaya kithi noma besidubula besishaya besibopha kithi kubi bo siyaya umshene wami webaba awuletho umshene wami webaba hayi wena uyangibambezela umshene wami webaba siyaya bo siyaya bo siyaya kithi noma besidubula besishaya besibopha amandla awethu viva MK viva MK Youth League viva MK Student Movement viva PCC viva Sakosco viva sihole Msholozi sihole die GNU die GPU die bekezela mhlala ukhona umkhonto bekezela mntomusha ukhona umkhonto bekezela msebenzi ukhona umkhonto kaZuma bekezela sihole Msholozi sihole Msholozi sihole comrades ngokukhulu kuyithoba baqinisile igama qiniso bakaCibane the newly formed appointed president of the MK Youth League uMacekeceke uma khona nenkingi useyongifonela kodwa mina umongameli manje ngibingelele our Commander General President Jacob Zuma owasakhela ikhaya ekuthiwa umkhonto wesizwe phansi yakubingelela baba ehamba neHigh Command ngibingelela yonke ngibingelele ngize ngiyofika eAchigumede zone iMatterboard ngibingelela abantu abasha across all 9 provinces comrades sinama structures ama province wonke and all detachment ala namhlanje nathi ngoba iMK party ethu sonke kuyona yamaZulu kuphela viva mntomusha viva ngibingelele comrades abelaphi bendabuko abefundisi abakhubazekile comrades mase ngibingelela nina abantu abasha ama grand forces engafune ikhundla enithanda umkhonto wesizwe phansi enifuna izwe lenu. Viva Grand Forces, viva! All protocol observed, comrades. Nginizwile ukuthi anisithandisisi kahle isingisi. Ngoba sila sikhona nje isingisi. Kodwa ngesimo esibhekene naso sokuthi okwamanje asikakabi nolimi lwesintu elizoba yilona unumber 1 sonke sizwe ngalo. Okwamanje sizobekezela comrade ngesingisi nje kancane. So ke nami inkulumo yami izothi 1 kancane ngesingisi mase yabuye ize kumageba. Izobe siphethe imbazo ke lapho. Comrades, I greet you all, comrade namhlanje. Ngithi sanibonani, molweni, thobela, dumelang. Greeting to you all, comrades. It is with deep humility and revolutionary pride and generational urgency that I address you today, not just as a national president, but as a young African entrusted with one of the most scarce tasks of our era. That of carrying the torch of the revolution passed down by the youth of 1944, the youth of 1976, and the militant youth of the 1980s in the terrain of the 21st century. Comrades, today is not just another youth event. This is not a ceremony. This is not a show. This is a declaration of war on poverty, inequality, imperialism, betrayal. It is in fighting that we gather here on the 16th of June, a day written in blood and fear in the annals of our struggle. A day on which young black learners, armed with only placard, conviction, and unshakable courage, stood before the armed machinery of apartheid and declared that enough is enough. And today, in Christianenberg Stadium, we rise again, not with stones and slogans, but with a vision, a movement, and a revolutionary youth force called Umkhonto Wesizwe Youth League. Before we speak of youth, we must remember the sword we carry, Umkhonto Wesizwe, the people's army, born out of betrayal, forged in fire, committed to nothing less than the complete liberation of African people. On December 16, 2023, we launched the MK Party not as an imitation of the past, but as a return to principle. And today, on the 16th of June 2025, we launched its Youth League, a structure that carries the moral, political, generational weight of people determined to never again be colonized, not by guns, not by markets, not by sellouts in suits in JSE-SNT. Let us remember that it was the youth who fundamentally changed the direction of the South African liberation struggle in 1944. At the moment, visionary leaders such as Anton Lembede, Oliver Tambo, Nelson Mandela, Walter Sisulu, A.P. Mda laid the foundation for the African National Congress Youth League, but the action was more than organizational. It was a revolutionary. It was a deliberate break from passivity, from timing petitioning, and from elite accommodation with colonial powers. In a period when the ANC was steeped in cautions, diplomacy, and ceremonial appeals, the Youth League introduced a blood and militant agency. These young thinkers, organizers, understood that liberation would not be granted through a polite request. It had to be demanded, fought for, and won. They built a league from scratch, grounded in a philosophy of African self-determination and burning belief in the political agency of black youth. In 1949, they produced the historic program of action, which called for mass mobilization, civil disobedience, strikes, and boycotts. This was a dramatic rupture with the politics of respectability. It was a call for defiance, a shift from negotiation and confrontation. To confrontation. The program of action electrified the ANC, preparing the ground for the defiance campaign of the 1950s, later inspiring the formation of Umkhonto Wesizwe in 1961. That generation demonstrated that the youth are not future leaders waiting in line. They are immediate agents of transformation. They change the tempo and tone of the liberation movement across the continent. 3 decades later, in 1976, another generation of young blacks stepped in history and the apartheid state had imposed Afrikaans as a compulsory medium instruction in black schools. Not as an educational measure, but as an act of psychological and cultural domination. In response, students in Soweto, KwaMashu, Gugulethu, and Port Elizabeth rose up in defiance. Led by the South African student movement and later COSAS, these young fighters had no external support, no funding, no mainstream media coverage, no protection. What they had was consciousness, courage, and unrelenting demand for dignity, with the school uniforms as their armor and placards as their weapons. They took to the streets and declared, "We are not empty vessels. We are agents of change. We will not be taught in language of our jailers." The regime responded with lethal force. Hundreds were killed, thousands detained, but the uprising did not die. Instead, it marked a turning point in South African history. It reignited an anti-apartheid movement and forced the world to reckon with the brutality of the regime. The blood of the students fueled by residents of the armed struggle, swelling the ranks of the Umkhonto weSizwe, with youth recruits who went into exile underground. The legacy of the 1976 generation lives on in every protest, every act, resistance, every cry for justice. In the 1980s and 90s, the legacy grew into Infino, drawn from COSAS and later SASCO. And, of course, the ANC Youth League. The youth of this era, led by fearless revolutionaries such as Ephraim Mogale, Peter Mokaba, Rapu Melekane, and many other 10 townships into strategic centers of defiance. They created street committees, revived underground cells, and developed political education. Networked to counter apartheid propaganda, arts, music, and developed political education network to encounter apartheid propaganda. And music and poetry, they became tools of mobilization. The youth rejected and fear fought with discipline, clarity, and purpose. They made South Africa ungovernable. They forced the apartheid regime into a corner. And they reminded us all that when the youth lead with no conviction, no empire can stop in their way. These were the waves of youth-led resistance, not stories of the past. They are instructions. They are blueprint for revolutionary action. And now, comrade, it is our turn as the MK Youth League. So, the cardinal question is, why do we need the MK Youth League? Why now? Because young people in this country are not just being neglected, we are being sacrificed. The evidence is devastating. Over 62.2% of young people are unemployed, stripped of dignity, purpose, and economic agency. We make up the majority of victims of drug and alcohol abuse, trapped in a cycle of escapism and abandonment by the state. Teenage pregnancy are soaring, with nearly 400 teenage girls giving birth every day in South Africa. And at least 10 of those births are to girls who are younger than 15 years old. A tragic reflection of hopelessness in a country that offers no future for young people. Thousands of young women and children are raped every year, while the state consistently fails to protect even the most vulnerable among us. The youth poverty is alarming high, with over 62%. Young people aged 15 to 24 living in poverty, unable to access basic resources needed to thrive. Homicide is now one of the leading causes of death among young South Africans, revealing a nation at war with its own youth. And despite our talent, drive and potential access to tertiary education remains out of reach for most, blocked by exorbitant fees, bursaries read, tape, corruption, and systematic inequality. This is not a neglect, this is an abandonment. We need the MK Youth League because we are not only unemployed, but deliberately excluded. Because we are not heard, even when we scream, because today's youth formations are busy pleasing funders instead of confronting the youth. The MK Youth League is not a fan club. It is not a stepping stone. It is not a parliamentary PAX. It is a revolution force created to fight, to educate, organize, and liberate. Rooted in the radical tradition of the Umkhonto weSizwe, we are guided by Pan-Africanism, black consciousness. Our mission is and must be to champion land expropriation without compensation, to demand free education, decolonized and African-centered education, to fight for youth unemployment, graduates, and basic income grants, to dismantle neoliberal ethics and foreign control of our economy destiny, to promote African values, language, and Ubuntu, to support the revival of people's power through ward-based structures and street committees and political education. We call upon young people in schools to form political reading circles and organic around student issues. In universities, to resist commodification and education. In township, to revive revolutionary culture and local economies and safety structures. In rural areas, to defend land and water and community. Let us build the MK Youth League, not just a name, but a structure in street present, in ideological clarity. Commanders, the revolution without discipline is chaos. And leadership without values is political prostitution. We say to our generation, do not chase position, but chase purpose. Do not build capacity. Comrade. Do not build, do not chase the capacity, comrade. Capacity is a vesa with the capability. Do not compete, do not be liked, but be remembered. Let the MK Youth League be a training ground for principled cadres, servant leaders, and organic intellectuals, not characteristics, but entrepreneurs or slogan or merchant. Comrades and commanders, allow me to thank our Commander General, President Jacob Zuma, for his unwavering dedication to the liberation of black people, not only in words, but in deeds. He did not sell out, he fought for us. Wasakhela ikhaya ekuthiwa Umkhonto weSizwe phansi. So ke comrades ngalamazwi sizosho ukuthi as the MK Youth League siyazi ukuthi kufuneka senzini. Azange sijoyine iMK party ngoba sizofuna izikhundla. Sajoyina ngoba kufuneka kubuye izwe lethu sibizwe ubaba uMsholozi. iMK party ayinazi inkinga, kakhulukazi abantu abasha. Olahlusha abantu abadala abafuna silwe izimpi zabo sabantu abasha. Inkinga esinayo comrades, sikhohlwa imandate eMK party. As the MK Youth League siyazi ukuthi funeka sakhe ikusasa leMK party in this movement of ours yabantu abasha comrades. So ke siyacela noma ngaba ufuni bani awuthandi bani, iMK Youth League izokwenza kufunwa iMK party hayi okufunwa yiwena. Sine problem abantu abadala abaqoka njenganathi, babiza amandla njenganathi, kodwa bayi ANC mebe izenzo zabo. Sifisa nazi ukuthi ke le MK Youth League le ile 16 December 2023 yama programs esebantwini. Ayoni Youth League lezo hamba yokhuluma ngabantu kabe ema groupini. This MK Youth League will champion young people's interest. And siyacela ukuthi sihloniphe izinqumo zababa. Ubaba kusasa ubeke mina, kusasa uzokhipha afaka omunye. We must respect those decisions. Ngoba sizwile ukuthi abanye benu nabe bezomasha la, bezosiphazamisa. Ngeke nikwenze konke la, hayi la maqabani MK party le ekufuneka isikhulule. So amaqabane ngalamazwi comrades sifisa ukubonga sintshene futhi ukuthi part of our program is the MK Youth League. Last year on May 29, young people voted for MK Party. EJNU stole our votes. That's one of our primary programs as young people maqabane. Uma kiwe enkantolo kufuna siphume ngobuningi bethu sidemonstrate ukuthi asikho happy sifuna izwe lethu. Okwesibili comrades sizobona unemployment march asisebenzi sifundile sabantu abasha. Uhulumeni spends millions on us emavasithi uma siphuma usinika u350 ibizwa ngani leyo nto leyo. Those are discussions esobesithena ukuthi awukwazi ukuspend imiliyoni kumfundi evasithi uma ephuma umnika u350 ngenyanga ibizwa ngani leyo nto leyo. So ke maqabane sifisa ukubonga kakhulu comrades iunity ibalekile comrades and discipline. MK Youth League we are disciplined and we are united. Amandla awethu